Excavator bulldozer, welding courses call/WhatsApp. +27 73 158 2436 training in Middelburg, Guys/Fola, Piet Retief, Nelsproot. Call 27731 582 436 for booking bar Mulani Operators & Welding Training School. 1 counterbalance forklift, 5 days training. 2 tractor loader backhoe, 10 days training. 3 front end loader, 10 days training. 4 excavator, 10 days training. 5 mobile crane, 10 days training. 6 tower crane, 10 days training. 7 overhead crane, 10 days training. 8 dump truck, 10 days training. 9 reach truck, 5 days training. 10 grader, 10 days training. 11 bulldozer, 10 days training. 12 roller, 10 days training. 13 scoop trim LHD, 14 bobcat, 5 days training. 15 container handler, 10 days training. Welding courses. Call us 073 1582 436. 16 boiler making, 4 weeks training. 17 Co2, 4 weeks training. 18 arc welding, 4 weeks training. 19 stick welding, 4 weeks training. 20 agony, 4 weeks training. 21 gas welding. Mulani Operators Training & Projects Thai Limited, fully registered training institute in South Africa. Regno 2013/124410/07 Mulani Operators & Mining Machinery Training School, South Africa's photo. Website http://www.mulanioperatorstrainingwebs.com/ Training is practical theoretical lessons. After training you obtain certificate. We also offer free forklift course if you do 2 or more courses. Requirement: copy of your ID/passport, 2 small ID size photos, own blankets, safety boots. Course fees: call us +27 73 158 2436 for booking & confirmation. The exact date you coming for training. School car picks up all students from Johannesburg Park Station. Bar school is in Germiston Town, NB. School offers free accommodation to all students. Regards, Mulani Operators Training. Bar accreditation number TETU 18 1003.